Yo, what's up guys? In this quick tutorial we will learn how to make this awesome looking text reveal animation in After Effects, which is basically just one super simple effect. And yeah, I'd say let's go right into it. So let's go into our new composition, and first of all, of course, let's add a text, and I'll just type in reveal for this example. And we can also click on the text on the timeline here and press S on the keyboard to scale it up and just bring it up a bit. And yeah, now we can go to the align tab, which should be somewhere on the right here, and align it to the center, both horizontally and vertically. And if you can't see this tab, you can just go to window up here and make sure align is checked. But yeah, let's focus on the one and only effect, which is the twist effect, or CC twister, which you can find under transition. And yeah, we can just apply it on this text. And yeah, now if we animate the completion, you can see that it just basically just moves around a bit, and yeah, this is not good. So the one important thing that we have to do is change the backside to none, and now the text will just vanish if it's not done completely. And yeah, now we can just go to the beginning of our animation and just play with the completion until you barely see the text, or until it just starts like this, and just put in a keyframe, and then go forward like 2 seconds maybe, and bring this up to 100, or to 0 actually. And yeah, now we can already see we get this nice animation. And if you want, you can play a little bit with the axis setting, and yeah, basically we can put in something like -90 for example. That will be a bit straighter. I think this looks really good. But if we put in other values, it can look quite weird suddenly. So yeah, but maybe you like this, but I think -90 or -120 is the best. But this is up to you. And yeah, that's it already. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.